Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to switch it up a little bit. Got an upgrade I've been wanting to do to the OBS. Putting some smaller mirrors, getting rid of the Dumbo mirrors on it. I bought these at the C10 Resurrection show a few weeks ago. Guy had them, had a good price. I'm pretty sure they're like the OEM takeoffs. They're not the sport mirrors. I wanted to still be able to have mirrors and them be functional. I know the sport mirrors look better, but I wanted kind of the middle ground of both worlds. So I'm gonna get them scuffed up, shot, painted, and put on the truck. Before we get to the video, if anybody wants one of these stickers, I had these made up. Hit me up on Instagram, DM me your name and address, and I'll get it out to you. Simple as that, free. So if you want one, hit me up on Instagram. Alright, so I got everything sanded. When you're sanding something like this, you want to make sure you don't see any shiny paint when you get done. I probably should have done a better job and may regret it, but this is just going to be a quick little project. Got a show that I may go to next week, and I kind of want to get this done before then. Like I said, I'm going to put a little black paint to them. I would paint them body color, but from the factory, I think it was just the sport trucks and the 454s that come body color. So that's not really the theme to this truck. It's got the molding and everything on it, so kind of want it to look as factory as possible. So whenever you're taping this up, I usually like to take and run it in behind the mirror so we get it taped really good, don't have any bleed through. Then I'll take my screwdriver and kind of run around the edge and push it down, and anywhere a tape joint meets, you want to push it down as good as possible, so that way paint don't blow up in there on the mirror. If it does, it's not the end of the world. You can polish it off or scrape it off with a razor blade, but that's where we at. We're getting ready to shoot these things. All right, so I think I've got them to where they won't fall. What I'm going to use on these is high-tech gloss and enamel black. Picked it up at the local parts store. Never used this before. He said it was pretty good, so we're gonna give it a shot. Don't know how this is gonna look, but it'll look good or it won't. If it don't look good, we'll take them back off and do something different. The only reason I'm doing this is because I got them at a pretty good deal, I feel like. So I can kind of afford to, if I mess them up, it's not the end of the world. I just want to get a tack coat on them. Something like that for the first one, just to cover or start covering. That's what I was afraid of. All right, let's do something different here. Try that. All right, let that dry for a little while, see what we got. All right, so I took the door panel off. It's the only way you can access the the 3 bolts in this hole. There's one up there and one down there. It's 3 10mm bolts. Take those out. I will tell you, this one back here is kind of a pain. If you've got a swivel or a universal, that works pretty good. I have one, but it's kind of messed up, so I just used a stubby end wrench, got it broke loose, and then just took it off with my fingers. These mirrors are power, but the truck is not. So I just I'm gonna tuck the wire down in the hole here, adjust it manually, and I'll be good to go. I'll show you kind of the finished product when I get the door panel back on and kind of get this thing wrapped up. It's an easy job, just takes a little time. One pointer, when you're taking the door panel off, be careful because they are brittle. I broke a couple clips on the armrest on the driver's side. Passenger side I think is fine, but just take your time. These little clips that come, these little clips here, if you break those, you can go to about any parts store, pick them up. I've got some here, so I'm going to be replacing some of these that are kind of old and crusty and worn out. There's a couple that tore. So before you start the job, you might want to grab you some of them, because you probably will break some, just because, like I said, they are old, brittle. But pretty straightforward, not really a hard job to do at all. All right, so got the mirror installed. Didn't turn out the best, but like I said, this is a driver truck. This is not a show truck. Got to untape it yet. But that's it. I need to get some double-sided tape so I can glue this back down to it. Do have a few fingerprints, but I think that'll wipe out. But for what I've got in them, got probably 20 bucks in them, including paint, a little time. Look better than the Dumbo mirrors. That's all I could ask for right there. Much better. So I still got to do the driver's side. Take just a few minutes. I've got to get some stuff to fix the door panel on the driver's side. The armrest, door pull has came loose, so I don't have anything here really to fix that with. So I'll get some of that probably tomorrow and get that wrapped up. I will go ahead and slap the other mirror on and have it bolted in place. So all I got to do is fix the door panel, get it on, and that job will be done. But that's going to wrap it up on this one. Like always, appreciate you watching, and we will see you on the next one.